Hey girl, welcome to another video. Listen, don't pay no attention to my voice, because today we is knocking your edges back with this single knot coif. So stay tuned for the install. It's going to be quick and super easy. But girl, get into the can you even see what lace, girl? What lace? Where is the lace at? Where is the lace? Girl, get into it. Real quick, guys, one of the most prominent advantages of this wig is the single knot versus double knots. If you zoom in, you'll be able to see on this particular unit that it's going to give you a more natural coif at a more affordable price. So I'm really excited about this unit. Let me go ahead and give you the rest of the details. Hello everybody, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, hey girl, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a very cute install from our favorite girl at the XrsBeauty. This is your natural hair, girl. I'm telling you, this, y'all know I do this company more than anybody else. It's the #1 company that I represent, and I love XrsBeauty Hair because they claim to fame is that this hair is your natural hair, and it comes with a very natural hairline. Now, this unit that they are doing this time is a little bit different in that it has a single knots versus double knots, meaning that it's going to be a lot easier for you to bleach. If you even need to. I mean, do you really need to? And it's going to give you a more natural hairline. So we're going to go ahead and get on with the install. Because this one is cute. This is a cute unit. Period.
Just be. Don't take it. Just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out. like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.
So thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of the video. Listen, I absolutely love this hair. Y'all know how I feel about the middle part. I feel like my head is too big and I don't have enough forehead for a middle part. But this hair is absolutely beautiful. It definitely makes a difference. I mean, this is your natural hair. You really don't need the baby hairs. It is so transparent that you can really almost see the cap. But because I have a magician of a beautician, you can't. But I absolutely love this hair. It's gorgeous. Look. We got maybe one strand. But other than that, nothing. The hair is gorgeous. I love this hair. Absolutely beautiful. I think this might be my favorite. So listen, get down below in the description box. You'll find all, did I say hello? All of your details. Okay, all of the details that you need. Thank you so much to XrsBeauty Hair for collaborating with this video. And listen, all of your discounts, all of that down below. You're beautiful no matter what. But you know, I like to give you options. So let me know what type of hair you want to see next, and I will see you in the next video, girl. We out. I'm going to disappear just like this hairline. I'm out.